Today's topic is about equation. An equation is a mathematical statement that shows the equality of two expressions connected by an equal sign. Left hand side is equal to must be equal to right hand side. An equation is true when the values of the variables makes both sides equal. That is by taking opposite action of arithmetic operators operators that is plus, minus, multiplication, division, a square and a square root, etc. Whenever variables or constant terms changes the sides, we move the variables on the left hand side and constant terms are on the right hand side. Note, we have to start with removing parentheses first. But in this example, we don't have parentheses. I just using a few simple examples. So now, if we start with variable x equal to 5, now we're moving the constant terms plus 2 on the other side with a negative sign. Now answer is equal to 3. So when x equal to 3, x plus 3 plus 2 will give you 5. And when is subtracting x equal to 6, then we take this negative sign on the other side, adding this 3 to this, that gives us 9. In terms of multiplication, similarly, x is equal to 18, and this time divide by this 2. So this will give us 9. Dividing x is equal to 6, and this division sign multiply will give us 30. A square root, so a square is 25. So this square sign will change it to a square root, will give us 5. And a square root, same idea, x is equal to 3. And change this square root sign by a square, and take this one off. So a square will give us 9. So simply when we take opposite action positives become negative, negative become positive, multiplication become division, division become multiplication, a square become a square root, and a square root become a square. These are the main idea. When you know this idea, the equation will be very easy to solve. Then we have got something different, say a cube equal to 8. You can write this like, when, as I said, you have the cube root. Now this can be written as 2 to the power 3, 1/3. Cube root means 1/3 power. Now we can cancel this 3 with that, will give us 2. This is a simple example. If you find a bit harder problem. Now some examples are examples here. Similarly, if a equal to L by B, therefore this multiplication will change into a division. So L equal to A over B. Similarly, you can find B equal to A over L. Idea. This one, if we take R on this side, we say C over 2 pi. This one we want to make subject to F. So first of all, we keep this one F minus 32 parenthesis first, as we said before. This is first. Then bring this 9 on the side. So 9C division, and 5 become on this side. Therefore, you can say, I can write F is equal to, moving this on this side, 9C over 5 plus 32. Or you can say, you can write this as a simplified form. Sorry, I have to go on this side. You can say 9C plus 160 over 5. So multiply this, both multiply. This 5 is here. So common denominator is 5 here. Therefore, it will be 9C over 160. This idea is simple as this formula. So I can say, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I want to find the R equal to, I is there, and divided by PT, or P equal to I divided by RT, or T equal to I divided by PR, etc. So this is a few example. I can have many examples like this one. You can try this, you can try that one. 4, 5, 6, all this, and also the other ones, the These ones are the other examples. So let's start with this one. As I said, bring the variables on one side by changing the sign. If this one comes on this side, it will be minus 2x, 48. This one comes on this side, it will be 5. So this is coming here and this is going there. So there will be 5x is equal to 53. Therefore, x equal to 53 over 5. So 10, 3, 8. Similarly here, parenthesis first, multiply out 3x plus 3 over 2 minus 4, that's expand that as well, minus 6x over 3. Now if you simplify that, you will get common denominator is 6. Then we can work out that, multiply, then 6. Okay, let's work out this one. So this 6, this is by 9x plus 9 minus 8 plus 12x equal to 16. Since we have got denominator same, so we can cancel out this x, this, then we are left with 9x plus 12x equal to 1 minus 9 plus 8. So this gives us 21x is equal to minus 8, 9 and 1 is 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0. This one as well. So you can try this too. Also this one. I'm doing this one because this is a bit different. In this one, what we have to do, we can multiply. It's called cross multiplication because there is one group of this side and the group on the side. So now 3 times 2 minus 3x equal to 2 times 2x plus 1. So what happened? We done taking this one there and this one there. Now multiply out 6 minus 9x is equal to 4x plus 2. So we have done parenthesis. We just now simplified form, change, bring x on the other side. So we have got 9x is better to keep x on the left hand side, minus 4x equal to 2 minus 6. So 13x equal to minus 3. Now because minus 4. So because we got both sides negative sign, we can cancel them out. So therefore we can say x equal to 4 over 13. Again, any comment? I know my handwriting is not very good enough. Any comment would be appreciated. Thanks.